Hi, I'm Julian from Maxitech and I'm a C+ specialist. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the touchscreens which we've been repairing for our customers. This is because some of the older touchscreens have been damaged by things such as lightning or power surges. Due to Clipsal no longer selling these old touchscreens, we've provided an easy way to repair your existing one without needing to replace it. We've been asked to repair many touchscreens before and we have a 95% success rate. For this touchscreen we have replaced some electrical components in order to get it to work again. We've also successfully gathered all the data and stored it in our systems so that the customer always has a backup. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to contact us about getting a C+ touchscreen repaired, please contact us by using the details listed below.